Switching to compact fluorescent light bulbs is one of the simplest and most effective ways to reduce your energy bill immediately. CFL bulbs use up to 75% less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs and last up to 10 times longer. Before installing a new CFL bulb, always switch off the lamp or light fixture completely first. Never attempt to remove or install any light bulb while the power is still switched on. Safety always comes first. After switching off, wait at least 2 minutes before touching the old bulb. Incandescent bulbs get extremely hot during use. Take your new CFL bulb out of its packaging carefully. The spiral glass tube is fragile and must be handled with care. Read the packaging label before installation. Confirm the wattage and base type matches your lamp or fixture. CFL bulbs come in different base types including standard medium base, candelabra base, and GU24. Always match correctly. Begin removing the old incandescent bulb by turning it counterclockwise with slow and gentle pressure. If the old bulb is stuck, apply slightly more pressure. Old bulbs sometimes fuse slightly to the socket over time. Once removed, inspect the old bulb. Heavy blackening inside indicates it was well past its useful lifespan. Store the old bulb safely inside the CFL packaging box before disposing of it to prevent breakage. Look inside the empty socket carefully. Check for any corrosion, burn marks, or debris before proceeding. A damaged socket should be inspected by a licensed electrician before any new bulb is installed. Always handle your CFL bulb by the plastic base. Never grip or squeeze the spiral glass tube directly. The spiral tube contains a small amount of mercury vapor. Protecting it from damage is important for your safety. Align the base of the CFL bulb carefully with the lamp socket threads before beginning to turn. Start threading the bulb clockwise by hand. If you feel resistance immediately, stop and realign to prevent cross-threading. Turn slowly and evenly. Forcing a cross-threaded bulb can damage both the bulb base and the socket permanently. Stop tightening as soon as you feel the bulb become snug. Over-tightening CFL bulbs can crack the plastic base. A properly installed CFL bulb should sit straight and level. A tilted bulb indicates incomplete threading. Reposition the lamp shade carefully after installation. Ensure it is not resting directly against the bulb surface. Switch the lamp back on and observe the CFL bulb as it starts up for the very first time. CFL bulbs require a short warm-up period of 30 seconds to 2 minutes to reach full brightness. This is completely normal. The warm-up time decreases as the bulb ages and settles into its operating cycle over the first few uses. Notice the significant improvement in light quality and brightness compared to the old incandescent bulb. A standard 13-watt CFL bulb produces the same light output as a 60-watt incandescent, saving 47 watts every hour. Over the lifespan of one CFL bulb, you can save up to $50 in electricity costs compared to incandescent. When your CFL bulb eventually reaches end of life, never dispose of it in regular household trash due to mercury content. Take used CFL bulbs to your local recycling center or hardware store drop-off. Responsible disposal protects both your family and the environment.